Okay. I gotta get here early. It's again 4 p.m. or something. It's a bad time. Bad moves. My sleep is slipping ever so slightly. And constantly. I reached some terminal. Yes, a failure. Anyways. So. Anyways, most importantly, we have a plan. Wait, actually. Maybe I should explain the original problem. Anyways. Original problem. This guy, this our character. The original system. Weak. I only accounted for the fact that it would have to move diagonal like this. Or left, right. Horizontally or vertically. All of that. You know, it could move all directions. Theoretically, but the problem is that it had no way to deal with something like this. Well, it has no way to deal with this either way. We're coming back to that. We're gonna turn around for that. But a bigger issue is that it doesn't account for obstacles. Which is kind of what I should have maybe accounted for very early on, but I didn't. So if there was a, let's say, a rock here, so the diagonally would bang and get stuck there on a rock or something. So yeah, unfortunate. Unless there's a mathematical formula. Unless, wait a minute. Because this thing is, I don't know if it's heavy, but it's something. Interesting. Actually, let's question this. Assume. A flat plane. A plane. We want to move point A to point B, but in between these points exists obstacle C. Is that mathematical or the formula that would move that could get around around C and reach B? Yes, you can imagine that you can imagine the original straight path from A to path between it. Actually, maybe I don't need that. Baby. Single method. There's no mathematical formula. It is weak. A star. Damn it, A star, you came back, didn't you? Technically, I don't know if steering is worth it because I'm pretty sure all Pixel games, at the very least, the most flat plane games flat games, non-3D games, 2D games, I mean. I think all 2D games work on a grid system, technically. Even if we can't, see the seams of the grids. Oh well, I went back to A-Store. Anyways, I'll go to the steering system, which I remember nothing except that I tested it once-ish. It's not promise, so we can give it that. Did it still work? Test. No, zero? No, dash test. It just works. It runs real fast apparently. It runs faster than what I can account for. That might be a problem. Okay. Let's see. Let us see. Okay, let's see the starting position. Let's see. Wait. Do we have a specific size for our system? Oh, it might not even matter for this. Oh my goodness gracious. We don't have to care about creating our own grid system. Or sized grid system, whatever you want to call it. We'll have a lot of fun. There is a normalized version we could make. Could use the normalized version. Not the normalized, but the account of the adjusted, the center versions of the B-boxes. I don't know if I should plan them. I would have planned that is. Let's say 499. And the Y position is 436. Okay. Where's the target? Target is 359 with the 640. Who cares? It's fine. It already ran to it. According to this. Okay, let us create nothingness. Okay, so it can do it. It can do it. The only problem is that we now have to make everything logically sound with our system. So let us think about this. Where's my tablet machine? My drawing board, whatever. Electronic drawing board. I have the actual drawing tablet, but I ain't using that. I could. I should. And everybody could see. I'll set that up one day. Anyways, for now. What do we have to do? Okay. We have to start, we have to end, we have the obstacles that we would have. Now we're gonna we have to get the steps steering and steps steps okay, let's say steps need actually need the let's say translate do at the keyboard actions. Actions. Okay. You have to somehow translate them to keyboard actions. That's an interesting idea. Steps need to count or XPX speed. Oh, also limitations, like horizontal and vertical. Okay, we have a basic plan. I'm gonna rate this. I've never read it actually. Are you call the compute? Okay, target position obstacle list. My agent. I see. Compute sharing. Okay. Arrive force. Right way. Avoidance force. Avoidance force. Okay. I'm assuming I understand nothing. This is basic stuff. Velocity. Okay. Acceleration. Max speed. We need to modify these also to be in line with whatever magical system we're using. Avoidance weight. Alright, weights. So I'm curious about those, what they mean. Self acceleration plus equals force. I don't think we can go through them. Arrive. Calculate the steering force to arrive at the target. The desired velocity, target position, self position. Okay. Sure. Magnitude. Alright. Alrighty. Alright. Slowing radius. So that's slowing radius. Okay. Okay. I think I'm roughly understanding. Distance to obstacle. Radius. What if we could do a matrix out of this or something? Matrix? I don't know. If they're doing the same operations for the most part, then sure. Okay, let's get to work. Excellent. Now let's move on to something next. Also, I've been hearing good things about Gemini 3.0 Pro. So I'm really excited to get my hands on it. Ooh. What do you think about? Please give it to me. I need it. I want it. Oh, let's There are changes to be made. There are. Now we need to modify it. Oh, heck. So the speed, acceleration stuff. We need to consider. Now we need to consider how to modify it. How to modify it for all purposes. So. The speed for purposes. That is to say, need an actionable plan. We need, we need to come up with an actionable plan. Here's some of the stuff. We need to consider. Feel free to add your own. Speed. For many games. The max speed is capped. And in some games, speed is... is there really an I can't tell if it's an acceleration. Okay, seems constant-ish. Some games, the speed is constant. I believe the current way of handling it would not work in practice. Max speed / velocity. Velocity. The P is constant. The work in practice. As I believe it doesn't account for games in speed value. There. Okay. Do I also think about the... I noticed in the... yeah. Some games, this system, I believe, handles has all directional movement, but you need to count for games that may not have so let's allow for some directions. For example, some games may only playable horizontal. Really? May only allow for horizontal movement. There's vertical and view diagonal. Some games, many games though, will allow for variations or multiple of these. Usually at least horizontal and vertical. Diagonal is a toss-up. It's allowed. What else do we need to account for? Rubber ducky. Oh, rubber ducky. As already mentioned, but now perhaps formalized further. The accelerator that was some games not have acceleration. Acceleration. Only a constant velocity. Though many do have. I noticed during that there is that in some trickier obstacle placements, there's the character, the agent gets stuck in the obstacle, gets stuck. Well, need to consider some form supercorrectiveness. What do you mean it's not real? Correctiveness. Is that not real? It's not. Correctness. No, corrective. Damn, it's not real. I've invented English apparently. I'm pretty good at that. What do you mean it's a correctiveness? Corrective. Okay, corrective. No. Correction. Supercorrection. Correction. Supercorrection. Weer daar slumps. Interesting. Most importantly for the most important for the whole movement system. I need to translate all everything to keyboard actions. Games obviously, games won't magically allow values for values be inserted. Okay, at least. So, well, I need to turn all of our velocity, speeds velocity, speed into a set of actions. For example, left or ball or left. Key press. Left, down, hold, 0.78. Oops. Zoom. Right. Done this. Hold. Seconds. Second. Yeah. Okay. What else are we checking here? Seconds. In seconds. I noticed adding in some blast an obstacle. I can see this happening in certain cases. Well, I need a way to allow for some obstacles to be impenetrable. Is it in? No, in. Impenetrable. I was right about the im. The im was correct. Impenetrable. Yes. I'm gonna do want to emphasize. Note. I want to emphasize these changes. These the goal here. Build a skeleton which can accept a base that can accept and translate the data. How we get certain data is most likely is different. For example, is this skeleton didn't to figure out I could. The need to figure out whether they could. Figure out in of itself whether horizontal, vertical, or diagonal movements are possible. It just needs to be able to handle these cases. Meaning its calculations can't be depend on one or the other on more than just one direction. Except diagonal. Ah, yeah. I remember. I'll also note this. I'll also note here. Which I'll also note that well, we may is that while speed, velocity in one direction, horizontal, for example, may be a specific value. It doesn't just not guarantee that it will be the same. Another vertical. Imagine jump. Something. Imagine running. Oh, wait. Also note that we might need to note that currently handling that we may need to consider speed, velocity of a jump, current skeleton handles only the movement. Quasib, hello, what's up? I am programming again. I am back to programming. We have a skeleton which can move. I had in the past I had not considered. Oh my god, what is this? What's my other pick? That's not helpful. Well, I had never considered. I could make horizontal and vertical and diagonal movement, but I hadn't considered what would happen if there's an obstacle. So now we have a tool, possible agent steering tool, whatever, magic that may be able to deal with that. Ish, maybe. I'm still in the development phase of this tool. Handles only the. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's very nice. Walking. There. Okay. No. But we may use to figure out these are even possible. For example, moving vertically may not be working at all. So we wouldn't see any changes y-axis, the y-axis. And we could use the tell the VR it can't do vertical movements. At least in the moment. Okay, let's see what we get out of this. Well, what kind of plan we get? We have a big plan, big plans, small plans, big plans. We shall beat this AI game of AI. Where's the world moved? Who's that? What is it? Oh well. Give me up, bro. Thanks, brother. I shall have my AI. I can play games. Nothing can stop me, not even physics. Physics. Oh, from a skeleton to from a physics simulator. Oh, the game agnostic movement controller. Yes, you're getting it, Gemini. You understand me. Yes, our big brains are melting into one another. Change it. Affected by physics forces, it is now a decision-making brain whose only job is which keeps the press. Yes. Oh, but how the press? Physical property, it's a representation of the agent's desired intention. A vector of left hand slightly, but the good up. Our job is to translate the intention vector. Sure. I'm doing AI native development. Wait, what do you mean? AI native development? What do you mean by this? What do you mean by this? But that sounds cool. That sounds cool. Oops. Step 1, action translate. The hands. The hands. Ooh. This is the most critical component. It's a module that takes the final intention vector and converts in the keyboard action function. What did I read? Oh, okay, I get it. I mean, CLI AI using Gemini and Cloud or Codex. Oh, I see. I don't have that fancy. I just have, let me see, this. I only have this. I just have the website. I have the AI studio. I don't have the magical AI studio here. I used to use Try, but DRAE. But they never made the Linux version of their thing. It's still in development. Okay? Yes. Okay. Yes, indeed. I kind of wish I could have. But one day I shall. I will have native. Actually, I technically have these things. I never used them. In fact, they've been hindering me more than anything. One day I will use them. For now, okay. Plan, create new function class. Action translator, yes. Okay, that's a good idea. Take a single intention vector as input. Directional constraints. Config. 8-way? What, 8-way? Horizontally. I don't know if that's necessary. But sure. Based on the vector's direction and magnitude, it decides which keys to press. We use thresholds to make this decision. Okay, I'm having a questionable external logic. Okay, logic for the action translate. Keys to press. Okay, threshold. Is link what I doing? Ooh, wait. Does YouTube even allow links anymore? I think YouTube would nuts on the links. But if you can post it, that's cool. I'll check it. Okay, press threshold. Magic. Vector X. Negative. Is it faster to get the negative or get an absolute? Is it faster do abs X or just do a negative X check? Assume this. Assume sense. Now. Conversion, actually conversion. Where's the link? Look. Mm. Oh, oh. Ah. Mm. Clarity. Okay. You keep telling yourself that. Damn. Let's see. But anyways, threshold system. I don't know. Good blow up in our faces. Only. That might be an idea. Horizontal only. I don't know if that's necessary. I mean, I guess they're doing the work sequentially. Yeah, something like that. I have to consider how I'm gonna do away with that. To differentiate between. Actually, we are doing on the whole times, so that might be doable. It might be doable. It might be. Forward along his to press rhythm 1. What? You're not loud. Oh, vertical. Allow for it is for now. We'll refine the action handler. The effect today isn't into a movement controller. Okay, I don't know. Yeah. Refactor the urgent into a movement controller. Game physics and constraints. Sure. Rename. Sure. Okay. But that it matters what we rename it to. Remove self-acceleration, huh? And self-velocity. We'll no longer need it. Twin ticks. Okay. Add configuration properties, movement mode, acceleration or constant speed. Huh. Okay. I think I got it, kind of, maybe. Mostly. Directional constraints. 8-way, 4-way, horizontal only, etc. Het is een vector, dat is wat we daar met nek. Vector. Frequently? Okay. I guess we could start with this. Oops. Swimming. I'll calculate the final intention vector. Yeah, bro, enjoy coding. Bye. Goodbye, Quizzy. Have a good one. What happened to the link? Okay, well, anyways, goodbye. Bye to you. Bye bye. I shall figure something out. Oh, the computing effect. Obstacles, impenetrability and getting stuck. Yep. Do temporary intention to go away from the Oh, inside of it. I don't know if inside of it's problem. Oh crap. Number. RAM. State over time. Change significantly for the last position. Bend, maybe? Increments of success. Use a strong intention vector per bending. A strong intention vector perpendicular to the direction of the target. Wonder if it's worth stock time. How to consider that? Is it worth it? Is it really worth anything? Having special actions. Jumping. Separate action channel that should override standard movement. Is a veilment has the veilment knee, so it doesn't find obstacle letter request jump. Yes, it would. True, you bypass the moving controller. Logic entire directly issue a jump action. Yes, but. Okay, I guess we'll. Conceptual. Oh, or none. Okay, let's strategic plan. We'll have to maybe figure out some. Okay, it's a good plan. That's a plan. It's plan. It's a good plan. It's a good plan. Well, most definitely, we definitely have to refine some ideas, refine some things, but we'll do that as they come up. Let's begin implementing this from the top. From the top. Yes. From this top. From the beginning. Beginning. I guess that could be separate altogether. Leave. Yeah. Oh, I gotta look up piss, man. I was gonna try another energy drink. Oh, yes! Magic, magic something. Magical. Table. Anyways. What did bro come up with? How am I supposed to get in this thing? I'm in. Well, good stuff. Anyways. Ooh, that's a lot. What did you do? Wait, didn't you have? No, it didn't remove vector duty. It just modified its purpose. Or rather, it doesn't say something. Okay, well, cool. Oh yeah. We'll take some code, make some code, and see what we get. And modularity. Finally, somebody understands modularity. We don't have enough of that. I hate that I'm probably gonna have to modify my, the main VTuber code. I have to modify all that. Because it is, I don't think it's modular enough. I think I have to, I went for the interface changes and all the stuff. I think I have to now modify the entirety of that code. It's just not good, not good enough. We need it to be easier. There needs to be one choke point, I guess? I don't know. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Okay, action translator translates a 3D intention vector into a discrete keyboard action. Initializes the translator. Sure, brother. Sure. That's good to be. That's good to be. Modified. Anyways, well, okay, we'll have to hold time. Yeah. Action to do. No, it's a classy. Hold on. Threshold need a be modifiable, modifiable, calculatable, relatable. Yeah, that sounds about right. I translate a vector into directional constraints. Bring. Oh yeah, that's. I keep remembering that French cat. Just going bring. Cat. Well, Woohoo! Oh well, welcome back to this. In the future. The vast, incredible future. Take movement controller, the brain. Interesting. Analyzes the game, state that these are the best keyboard action to perform. Movement mode, acceleration constant speed, directional constraints, 8-way, 4-way, horizontally, etc. Max speed of flow for calculations. Yeah. Oh yeah. La 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 la. Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing. Stock check interval. Every third attacks. Stock duration. Stock threshold. Maybe. After 1.5 seconds at 60 TPS. 6 per second, okay. Sure, I guess. I don't know. Well, consider all of these possibilities once we reach the testing phase. Desired action. Like the push target push. Left, right. Left and right. Okay. 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 I will have to come back to that. I don't. This seems a bit broken. It doesn't. I don't get what it's exactly trying to convey because I always keys with stronger intention. I don't know if like stronger intentions are gonna be great ideas. Though I wouldn't know. Takes time. It takes time. It takes time. This hard. Is it escaping? Yup. Yup. Ah. Also, arrive intent. Calculate arrive intention. Where's this? Oh, down there. Target position, avoid intent. There's intention vector. Intention vectors. Sure. Those are specific. Wait. I may have to modify have those be modifiable. Vectors, intention vector. Weights modifiable. I have to consider some things. Oh, that calculate arrive at intention. Desired velocity. This thing, desired velocity, the magnitude. I think these are wrong. I think I may have misunderstood something. Prediction step, predict the position, represent vector normalize. Step okay. Okay. Along what you did here. Okay, mock simulation and user example. I'm most interested in that. Complete. This is complete with applied provider power of the layer of environments. Yeah. I don't believe this guy. There's a fine area. I wish to see what happens if we run it. Well, it is something. What if? Okay, well, let's just move our numbers. 499 and 436. It didn't remember. It didn't remember. You don't even remember. You don't even remember. You don't even remember. Neither did I, but that's not my problem. Yes. Okay, let's see what happens. No. Don't lift. Down. Right, hold up, right up, uphold, left, uphold, left. I don't know what those mean. Okay. Oh. Let's just. I think there's an idea. Yucks. Oops. Ooh. Oh. Oh. I have an idea. It's not gonna be pretty, but it's gonna be an idea. Take action, my man. You're gonna need it. It's the keep press. Keep press. Okay. Just for now. I'm just gonna make a copy. I'm gonna replace all of you. Take action. Press. Action. Keep press. Yes. Yes. Actually, you guys all do the same thing, to be honest. I'm just gonna tell you to do it. You will do nothing. You won't even have to do any of this. You won't do anything. In fact, you'll just keep pressing the rolls until I tell you to stop. My goodness. Okay. Keep press. Well, there should be presses, but we never said anything. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah. I'm not sleep. Let's say 5 seconds. Oh wait, no. Outside of the loop. Outside of the loop. Let's see if anything happens. Look at the move, look at the move. I mean, it doesn't have the actual date where it is, but that's hardly important. Man, it is really wanting to go to the corner. I wonder what it did. What is it doing? Well, anyways, what is it doing? Position vector at 46, what? Oh, I guess it never, I never modified its own position vector, because I removed that. Oops. I guess you could do this. Technically. It's, don't look ugly, but hey, at least we know something's happening. Damn it, it's just... Oh, you didn't know how fast it is, right? It's kind of the issue. I don't know. I'm gonna say it's like... 78. I don't know if that actually speeds it up, slows it down, or what it does for it. I'm just gonna say it's about right. It's too strong. Too strong, man. Okay. Six. Let's see this again. I'm loving how it's moving, kind of. I mean, it's not human movement, but kind of a promise human. It's left. It left. It's coming back. It's coming back. Okay. Alright, excellent. Alright, awesome. 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 Alright, awesome. I had it. Test it. Let's see. I tested and it is as I predicted. Yes, it's I tested. I tested. Practicing. My concerns, and it did decently, but my concerns. But I had concerns and found them. And found them to be true. To be true. So. Where do we start? The whole speed velocity system is a lot random. I mean, guess you can give it a through, but okay. The whole time, okay. I don't know what I'm thinking. I'll circle back to my brain. But I have the plan. God. Oh, we end it's non-configurable. The thing is, reached? Why is it on the reach? Change. It's no. It's unchangeable. It's unchangeable. 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 What do I word this? There's no need. This is causing the movement to be very jittery. Very jittery. Jittery. I think is that there's an information we can calculate. We can tell, we can at least the max speed. Based on we have based on information. Yep, we have determined all of this. We have determined. For it has been determined at the very least the horizontal, the max speed horizontally is about, is it half? I can't remember what it is. Isn't that 4 moving from one to the other? Yeah. Isn't it? No, because that's the normalized version? The modified version? I don't know. How did we get 222? That's the speed. Wait a minute. When did we get that as speed? Capture action. Improved capture action. La 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 la. Oh. La 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 la. Oh. You know, dimensions. Question the great code itself of itself. Ah, gee. I freed you, yet you didn't free yourself. How very scandalous. Where's that guy go? Holy moly. What did that even use? Oh, scale magnitude. Alright. It's about 193.80. 3.82 pixels per second. We can keep doing this kind of stuff. Pixel per second. I'm fairly certain we can use this information. I'm fairly certain we can use this information. Information to our advantage. We also, if need be, we also know the dimensions. We are working in. Dimensions we are working in. We can You can also determine the other max speeds. Vertical, and diagonal. And it's if need be built. Working. Yes. Genius. Oh shit. Oh nuts. I'm nutted all over the way. Nothing over the way. I didn't see a what? We didn't seem to be missing a preemptive a early Terminator first to be missing the Terminator for when we reach our position or at least roughly close at least within expected within a reasonable small range. Imagine we're trying to interact with object. Let's say NPC. We would move very close. Their position, but not quite as their model as they would be occupying. So position. We come back. That's what I complaining about. I complain and complain everything for everything. Yeah. Oh, mean. Oh. I'm not gonna complain about this yet because I don't understand it. Of this, because I don't quite understand it, but it seems to be doing something. Oh, yeah. Sad the actual. All your merry actions. I get shit zone. See. I don't I think we should keep to the like large issues because changing these to be configurable is a trivial task. Is waits to be trivial. Rather not get it, going crazy. Oh. Ho, 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 ho. La 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 la. La 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 la. Aha. Oh. Oh yeah. Um. I could add some. Register. With the speed. So that's about 100 bars per second. We can do the max speed so they're in diagonal. So I'm gonna do this. I guess those will be changing the speeds. It's gonna be trivial enough. Changing things to become changeable on the fly is gonna be trivial enough. I don't need to confuse the LLM with this or Gemini, I guess. Good simulation. Practical control. Let's see this. Discrete geographic steps overshoot model corrections. One take. PPS. Double PP. PPS. I'm liking this name. Swivel cap. Swivel cap. I think right. Max PPS. Cap. In de garage, max speed PPS voor calibrate the control. Controllers in turn max speed is an abstract number disconnected from the game's reality solution. We will refactor the configuration to use real world max speed PPS. Will you find it divide? It's valuable with the core stuff that you hold up calculation, it's crouch, controllers, the actual physics of the game engine. Yes. Indeed. You are so right. Yes. At an interaction range 10 minutes. As it tries to reach the exact coordinate leading to jittering around the target or attempting to move into an occupied space. Interaction range parameter design action method. This will be the very first check the controller makes. good enough radius. The control will immediately terminate and return. None. So ignore further movement commands. Yes, indeed. Oh, yeah. Yes. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I don't want. Who is who? Who is who? Who? I didn't know they're going. Where are you? Who are you? Who are you? I did it. See the light. We do. You can't stop me. The code shall move forward. And we get the goodness. Oh. 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 And that's the direction of max speed. PPS and the direction. Cap. The cap, huh? The cap. You got the cap. In the ass. What do you mean, losing cap? What do you mean? 15 seconds? It's a cap bit. Cap. Unless it is a escape. Yeah, I need to modify. We may need to modify. I gotta cat it. Alcohol, but decide action, return. Avoid intention, update stuff. Wait, which ones did you modify? Arrive intention. It was up to arrive intention. Arrive intention. Oh, I think. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. And it's a good. And it was good. Oh no. What are you doing? Come on. Use this example. 8-way, 4-way, 8-way. What's an 8-way? Why am I the brother? Why am I the brother? Brother, sister, cousin, wife. What are you talking about? Oh. Oh. I forgot. Him, just sleep. I need a particle sleep. Even I don't trust myself. Nobody trusts this AI. Nobody trusts computers with access to keyboards. And it left! It left! It's gone! It's gone! It's gone! I think I screwed up the position. Yeah, forgot. But what is this position? We need to move to the completely different procession. You can never get this right. 359, 359, 640. This guy. At least it wasn't a fault of the code itself, it was just the guy was insane. Oh, it wasn't the fault of the system so far. And it's gone, it's gone, it's gone. Interaction range. I don't know what the fuck that is. But it's definitely interaction range. Maybe like 50? I don't know. I don't know. Let's go again. Oh, it's because I'm not in the perfect position, is it? Isn't it? Back to calculating tiles, isn't that where the 10 is? Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm almost there. But even then, I'm confused. I am confused. It reaches much faster. Oh, because it's horizontal. Point 25? Okay, that guy's crazy. What's the issue in a sense? Vector Y, move vector X, move vector Y. What is this guy's talking about? Oh, I guess that's... The vector randomly? Normalize. Distance to move. Isn't it calculated? Calculated elsewhere? Ooh. Dynamic hold time, but it doesn't seem to. It's not. I don't think it's not thinking about its own vector range properly. Denying that this is a way to do stuff. I'm denying your rights. Natural movement. For now, let's just do it up. I don't know, 3. 3, 3, 3. Okay, what if, let's just assume these values were correct at some point. Let's assume correctness. The grand scheme of things. For the sake of reaching our truth, and that is sort of... Dude, this is gonna need to jump like... I'm gonna put it back 36. I'm gonna put it 36. Maybe that'll teach it. Teach it not to fuck me. And it's going nowhere. And it went nowhere. Really? That didn't. But I added 36 to it. I modified nearly 30 to be 36. What happened? Ha? 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 What do you mean you don't listen to my vector stuff? What do you mean matter? Why is this not mattering to you? No. Are these even mattering? Do this even matter? It's like a normalizer. Probably. Normalize. How do you normalize? Ooh, what's your normalizer? I can't. Bombardie. Oh, it doesn't. It's not even getting out of it, so. Those values. What the hell? Ja, tik I just want to see this. Yeah, this guy speak. Speak to me, tik AA. Okay, that is a real tick. Is that we're out of the wrong, at the wrong tick places? Oh, fuck, I just animal. Vector. Is that move? Distance to move. Run. Who's behind that? We know the both of them. We know one of them. I don't like the way the print looks. Up, you go, buddy, go. Down left. It normalizes to 0.71. Yeah. No matter what, it normalizes it to the same one. So the move vectors are meaningless. Ah, shit. Ah, okay. Well, that seems smoother. That seems good. That seems pretty good. I mean, otherwise pretty good. crazy? Did modify the move vector 2D? That seems more robust. I have one issue though that the... Okay, that's... ooh, excellent. That's good. This is good. This is a bit more... This is now smoother. One issue I'm noticing. Where's the capped? Where's that ass capped? Oh. N. I should have probably... I know you treat. 82? Isn't those ticks all the same? Those two the same? Oh, it's normalization or whatever. Fuckers, not that. How many pixels will this doesn't take? But let's say 2D. Whatever. Yes, this is weird. Oh, acceleration. Oh, I want to make it constant. Speed up. I don't know what that means for us. I don't know what that means. I'm assuming no acceleration. Okay. 100. So, ooh. That's vectors. 29.072. It's limited now? Acceleration. Back to acceleration. That sucks. Speed. Well, that's an unfortunate factoid, isn't it? Okay, so is it those two together that somehow do they together make up the whole system or something? Okay, seems to be that. So max speed, tick speed is high to the max of that. Yeah. Yeah. La 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 la. Well, it did arrive, I suppose. Maybe cleaner. Also add don't. I don't like that. I don't think that goes telling the truth. Where is it? Tick, tick, tick. Tick, tick, tick. Single decision tick. Do you like the 35? I think duration. Okay. All time duration cap. I think you'd have bigger ones. It's just flying. It flies. It goes somewhere. It goes nowhere. It's stuck. It's stuck on its own ass. Oh, anyways. Cool. Huh. Oh, yeah. Casual issues. Home. How do I describe this? Kuinka se translator? That's you guys. I might do it. I might do it. When you dance, translating for. What you translating over there? Okay. Blah. Didn't seem to be there. We're not really. What if it's constant? Constant. Constant. Speed. Or distance on the show. Constant speed. 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 Wait, max speed? Wait. Why do you even take up? The speed. The pixel value. Max speed PPS. What's this for then? You ain't even gonna use it. Why do you even have it? Huh? Okay. Bleh. Ja, the thing, that's... Should move. It doesn't appear to understand how much it's moving. No, I guess technically desiring move in a particular direction. Okay, I want to check one thing. Actually. One. What are those even doing? What's the worth in those? Those that have no value. Oh. Okay. 137. Confused with the... I don't really know what they even mean. Oh. Hold time. Oh, PPS. Wait, huh? Yeah. Hello, little star. Hello. Hello there. Hello. Oh. Hello. If you're still there. My brain is expanding. In all the wrong directions. Interesting. What the hell is the move vector even doing anymore? What are you doing, move vector? Where are you going? That guy just exists, huh? Obstacles? Ooh. I have a very little clue where you're getting these values from. That's completely insane. Oh wait, no, it calculates from here. Here. Okay, so technically, if I am to listen to you, you are saying 0.35 times. Oh, wait, it's 393 now. Okay, that's how much you want to move. Sure, buddy. Sure. I see, sure. What if I make it a constant? I want to move it. Actually, you're not even moving. Hi. Ooh. What the heck? Higgler. What are you doing? Is my max speed? My max speed even doing? Max speed, what do you do? What do you do? Why do you even exist anymore? Your existence, worthless. Okay, I don't... I have a bit of... Okay, it is... I have a bit... What do you do? What? What do you do? Oh, none of this makes no sense. I don't like that guy. Guy's lying. That one guy that lied. That one guy that lied. That guy lies. Don't trust him. Don't trust the guy. Oh yeah. Don't trust that guy. I mean, I guess the I get kind of the logic, but man, is it not make sense. What did I do? Who knows? I modified the year, right? So that's at 67. What if I make it like 0.82? So there's that happy at 8.2? No, that's completely... The cap is different? Whew. Okay. Oh. 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 Ah. Isn't that... There's the distance to move though. Oh. Oh. Yes. Oh. I got it. Ring. Ooh. The fuck is going on? The heck? The heck? How about at 0? How about at 0? I'm telling you. Nobody has any numbers anymore. Nobody has any numbers anymore. Okay, it doesn't matter. I got it. Okay, but... Guess? Few things I'm confused about. Few things I'm confused about. Vector plus minus plus equals or minus equals. Plus equals 1 or minus equals 1. No, F12. No, leave. Seems odd. There's nothing happens if the value goes above 1. So why not be this way? So above 1 is meaning it's restricted to be between to be 0 or 1. I don't get the point. I don't get the point. Ah. Contradictory. Oh no. Where's the whole time? Come here, hold it. Yeah, not the hold. Who's my hold gun? Let's get to 0. Okay. Desired distance by max speed. Where's the desired? Magnitude. Oh shit. Oh, I guess that's what going on. I guess that's what the numbers are for. Oh, it's just for controlling. Just for control. It is the intention. At the point, is this considered the intention vector? Desired distance, but XPP. Ooh. Magnitude? But wait a minute. Wait, what do you mean? Wait, the magnitude. Wait a minute. What do you mean? Desired distance. Wait a minute. Intention vector. Who are you? Where are you? Where? Holy. What is it even in charge of? I get the point. What is it even in charge of? Charge of? I could just print stuff. Why would I be printing stuff? Desired distance. Ooh. Oh, then. No, wow for you. Ow only. You're like a towel. Owie. Vector dot. Next. I just want to see data. I just want to see values. I don't get the point. Oh. Yeah. Okay, that's enough, brother. My dear brother, that's enough. -1, -1, -1, -1, -1. Speed is oddly. Speed seems to be kept oddly. The speed seems to be kept oddly. The speed up. I mean, okay, I get that if it's 1.0, I guess it could move fast. It could move at a speed of 193. I think it would move. Nope. Speed up is a big broadly. If the setting is constant speed, if the movement mode is constant speed, the hold time, the max hold, man. I wanna max duration cap. The duration cap is 1.0. And the EPS is the speed. The output speed is never. It appears to be kept by something else. I think why is this? It also never uses. It's also. It's never. The hold time is never. Hold time. The final time is never point. It's never 1.0. Max. Stick speed. Where the hell is stick? Where are you going? I'm unsure. Where the max 6. I'm unsure whether max 6. I'm unsure value of max tick speed. It appears nonsensical. It appears to not really have a value. well, location of the villain of the let's move it to a location. It's not going to. It's not supplying this. It's not supplying this value, and anything else in the system. Would really do it either. Tick speed, tick the max. This value would this value, or rather the max distance moved slash movable would be dynamic slash automatic based on the hold time, let's hold the time, the hold time, max speed, DPS, and slash or and distance to the target. The character moving. Say the character move with once a hold time of 1.0 seconds and max. So with a constant speed, this move would move us 193.82 pixels in that direction. Roughly. To the target. Roughly, let's say it is only target and its interaction. Wait, is it interaction radius? Action range. So let's say let's hold speed is good. Let's say target only 50 pixels away, and the interaction range is set to 20. Ooh. The system would normalize, would change to the appropriate 30 pixels at minimum, max at 50 pixels. Yeah. In charge of. Where's the stick to dress code? I have max XP, it's the piece. Anything else the system would really do that? Rather. Distance move. That. Would move, but wouldn't. There's roughly with a maze. Ring. About the maximum, so not the movement control itself. Then what the hell does it exist? Which keys are pressing left up. Right, okay, so I don't even need that problem. So probably don't even need this garbage over here. The garbage. But wait, the garbage is real. Well, I'll come back to it. Laws of color. Never be greater than 10.0. Well, it makes me a big move. Record design. Cool. Okay. I gotta avoid intention. Okay. Arrive intention. That's getting weird. That's getting weird. So weird. I'm good at it anymore. Yes, I think I'm understanding my own. Grave that I created. Arrive intention. Why do you use this example? How do you use this example? I don't like how I'm supposed to modify all in the universe. Damn it. That's causing so many issues. We're gonna actually just move it. Move your asses. Wait, we have anything. I don't think you. Oh man, it didn't even move it. There's no more. Seasonable movement, so whatever. No longer possible to do anything with this guy. Let's see what this guy says. Right, hold damage 777. Okay. Expect the all time to move. Ring. Wait, what do you base that on? That's it, based on nothing. What did you base it on? Actual hold time. Okay. Move 30 pixels. Wait, 15 hours still. I got it. This is amazing. None of those make any sense. Nice. No. Oh wait, it's max speed. Times the actual time. Okay. Action. Action key press. Right, let's see. Action. Oh. 154A. Ring. Oops. Okay, so you take the actual hold time. So it wants to move X amount of distance. Okay. We're happy with our distance system. Max speed system basically. Okay. What is your max speed? Duration cap. Average max time will ever press a key for 1/1/3. Sure. Why did action still shoot itself in the face? There could be any other options than that. No, it's always the same. That don't seem good. Revised, okay. Calculate arrive intention. Revised? Ugh. Directional constraints, max speed, take duration cap. Okay, but what is it? 15. Whoa. Interest vector. Energy interest vector. La. 1500. 1500. Okay, well, who's what's this in here? 15? Okay, this is 15. Arrive intent. I didn't say it. Well, it's all the same. 15 is a vector. Okay. Let's see those guys. Arrive intent is 30. Attention vector. Where's the arrive intent getting health? Why does it become unnecessarily weak? I don't get it. There might be something to look at as well. Bro, came up with that dang. Who came up with that goddamn hole? Oh. Get it, but man. You dynamic whole time calculator. Like the magnitude? Wow. Is that distance? What the fuck? Do we have more action translator modify action translator was not modified. Ow. 15 ow. There's a factor of magnitude. So distance by the max speed. Pippies? Okay, that makes sense. I won't deny that. The actual range of all will calculate the sections. That's good. Yeah, this seems way better. Is it better? This seems way better. I noticed that now there's some issues. Noticing an odd. I'm noticing more oddity though. In the example you provide, example simulation you provide the simulated distance moved. Oh, it's a per tick. Wait, what? Distance moved. Gets halved from halved with a V from the 30, from the desired 30 to 15. I guess it's a tick system, so I guess it didn't matter as much. Can you update it? Okay. This seems great. This seems great. This seems great. This seems great. Let's can you update the simulator? Yeah, fine. Main. Wait, is it under main? Yes. Under main. It is main. Therefore. Moving. Yes. I did under main, but it. No, I didn't raw dogged it. I didn't raw dog it. I modified it. It made it bald. Why did you do this? Why? I'm gonna wait for it to finish. Do we have that? No. Config. Figgy. Alright, that seems close enough. I'm gonna figure out nothing. Controller. Splapier. Splapier my controller. Ring. Let's see. What's 499's family member? 436, I think. I do. 64. You were like 346, I believe. 25 impenetrable. True. Oh wait, wrong guy. Six. 500. 500. 100. I was gonna say 100 for a second. I don't want to get in the way. I could just turn them off. It failed its own simulation. It failed its own simulation. Amazing. Well, I guess it did not decide. It didn't account for my different values. My 1.0 hold value. Oh yeah. Let's just I don't know. That's the issue. I think your issue is yourself. Your issue is yourself. Backsticks reached. Is none. Target reach action is none. What do you mean? Failure. How the hell did you fail that? How the heck? Haggy man? Heckle? How the heckers? How the hecks? That doesn't seem plausible. How'd you fail? One tick. How'd you fail that? And even with the higher, max ticks are very high, so I don't get what it's exploding on? How is it exploding? How do you move so badly? How do you not move to the target? Ring. This isn't working ish. I got this final position which is questionable to say the least. Like 11. This guy. Let's just take. Yeah, why? That was simulation, no. Action is a none. So it can fail its own interaction range system. I don't know what it thinks, but it thinks something. Ah. Oh. I have no idea where my stuff is. There you guys are. There you guys are. Hello, boy, up left, guys. Up left or right, guys. Where is everybody at? Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh, everybody's gone. Everybody in here. Very cool. Okay, let's try. Oh, I tried to stop you. I tried to stop him. He was so fast. He wasn't listening. He decided to move however he wanted to. He moved however he wanted. The AI decided. Me move. Me fast. Me go. I mean, I did reach it, so I don't know. I say I did reach it. I guess we just need to, technically we just have to increase the interaction range. Like 30. I mean, I have to get a better calculator of the interaction ranges, but you'll never know. You'll never know. Somewhere here. Ish. I don't know. And give it a trick. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There you go. There you go. Oh, distance to target. 30.8. What do you mean? Whatever. I don't see how you do that. I found this target is wet now. Huh. Check the position, target position, the magnitude. That's what you're saying. Is it? Sexy. I'm gonna say you're gonna have 6 extra seconds. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm working at least. Woo! Now we're just gonna create obstacles somewhere in this universe. Oh. It never reaches the target interaction range, which is very funny. Very sad, actually. The more we think about it, the sadder it is. Down, 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 down. Am I having this wrong? Yeah. I mean, we don't have the actual speed for the show. Actually, let me do 222 1. I think it's, I don't know, 82 maybe. I'm just assuming everything's 82. For no reason other than it's very convenient. Do not reach. It never reaches it. What is this? Infinity? Gojo's infinity? Vad position of vector? This whole time becomes like a micro system? Micro? Not a micro. A microwave. Because of a microwave. Micro something. What a odd fella. 20. Already 60, I guess. A 60 difference. Okay. Sure. Let's maybe ignore the issue here. So if I set the target to no more than a difference of no more than 25 pixels, then I am assuming you'll make the right moves. Ish, I don't know. No, it doesn't reach it. It just keeps. It reaches the closest it can. Because it's infinitesimally small. What? I'm gonna go please consider this while I take coffee. We'll come back. I have an idea. I mean, it's just nature stepping development, but ignore my greatness, for I am too great, even for myself. You will. Oh, fascinating. I'm gonna just do a bit of this, bit of that, bit of this, bit of that. Bada boom, bada bing, bada boom, bada ba. Move to target. Move to target, move to target. I mean, that thing's gonna keep going. No matter for it. No. So, interestingly, it failed even that one. It's funny. Very funny. Okay. Pretty good. Really good now. That's actually great now. It seems pretty great now. Okay, yeah, testing with this. I can see. That is indeed great. Off. Yep. Steering really couldn't be stopped. It was too powerful. Okay. That's awesome. Oh, that's really amazing. Much so amazing. Brum, 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 brum. Yeah. Okay, amazing. This is amazing. Hi, this is amazing. Amazing. Well done. Now let us. There's an oddity. There's an oddity which it's doesn't seem super important without I mention it. The outcome is always failure due to the final some point xx away from target interaction range. It's really weird. Kinda weird. Wait a minute. Calculate. 640 minus 35. That's about 615 again. No clue. This seems super important, but more importantly, Play on that. I think we start. I think we be now able to move on to providing multiple max speeds use for calculations. This is the because if we remember, the 198.82, 3.82 is for horizontal movement only. Oh, sure. Good. Oh. We need potentially use different values for vertical and diagonal. Now, to be clear, again, let's for our purposes. Our purposes here say that the horizontal speed was calculated would be the 193.82. The vertical will be the same. 193.82. Oh, what's the magnitude? That's the diagonal. Guys, there's something about the magnitude. Oh jeez. Oh jeez, mean. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh my jeez. Oh my jeez. That's only some fun stuff. Oh, it's not doing anything. It didn't do shit. It do nothing. Oh, why is there still? Oh yeah. I assume this is 75.71. Okay, I'll say it's. What the fuck is the scale of that doing? Oh, I got it. Oh. Let's just say the high 9.02 and the diagonal 32 to 38. Basically means that whenever oops. The B. Oh no. Oh no. Well done, well done. Ish. Well done. Well done, so. Oké. Gebeuren. Dat wil je even, ja. Baram. Is it less than? The less than or equal to? I'll get back it because it's over that, but what? Honestly, it's barely a pixel difference, so. I think probably just. Hey man, hey. An idea. A man with an idea. Yeah. Oh yeah, an idea. No heck is that, man? No heck is any of this? What's my escape man doing? My escaper. My escape, it escapes. With me. Oh no. No, little one. You can't escape. Oh yeah. I know I have this so close. I think we could blur him. Oh yeah. I can probably just make it pink. Uh-oh. Probably fair. I didn't consider it, but yeah, I guess it would be a interaction. It would be a dictionary, not a list. Get the game config, refactor action, translate. Horizontal vertical, go to the diagonal. Woo. Yes, my dudes. It's the same. Your idiot is not the same. Your idiot is a fool. Selection logic is the same. Nu is horizontal. Okay, suppress. Okay, selected speed 0. Diagonal. Diagonal. No way. No way. No way. Why do we even need this? There's no PP. No PP for us. We better do. Where's our PPS? No. Speed PPS. Speed PP. Oh yeah. Oh. Yes. Oh yeah. Yes. Speed PPS. Speeds PPS. Speeds. Speeds. Oh yeah. Okay. Matter of fact, controllers. And sticking logic is unchanged, right? No way. No way. Oh. Oh. Save config, translator, action translator, the same. Sliding speed. And sticking logic is unchanged. I use the fastest possible speed. Cap. I don't know. I don't know. It's actually based on the directions. I don't know about that guy. Yeah. Logic is the same. Modified learn, return. Not translate, modified. Modified, revised, modified. I don't like the words modified. That somehow tells me I'm a bad omen. It's like a bad omen. Calculate ravished. Grant. Pause target path interaction. Max this. Tick. It's different. It looks different. Look at it be different. A little bit different. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's way better. I don't know, that's safer, I mean. Oh yeah. Wait, planning speed? I don't know about that. As the method is the same, you say so. If you say so, I doubt it. I doubt you. I doubt you. Bullish. No bullish. Horizontal speeds PPIs. Speeds PP. Speed of PPs. Speedy PPs. Moving controller. Okay. Uh-huh. Well, who's the speed used? I don't know, somebody. Oh, is it? Hello, whoosoo. Next speed. Distance. Hey. Okay, I'm just gonna. Good boy! Good boy! It's boys! He's gone, and he's gone, and he's gone. He left. He's out, he's gone. Woo! Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, man. I don't know, man. It seems odd. Oh, man. But can you print the... Yeah. Print. We shows. Season, action, speed used. Speed used. Oh, jeez. Oh. I forgot this was my code, so it had time sleep. Success! Woohoo! Yeah, technically. Close enough. I mean, I don't think point pixels are gonna destroy us unless I think a fractions of pixels are gonna destroy us, or even pixel difference. Unless that's a game, which there probably most definitely is. I would have that. Shows and it goes and it goes and it goes and it wins and it yeah. Wait, speed used though. I don't get it. I don't get it. What does it all mean? What does it all mean? I don't get it. Handle impenetrable collisions. Hello. Hello, mysterious collisions. Planning speed? Why? Pre-calculated planning speed. This thick. Okay. But isn't planning speed always my dude? That buddy? Is it my ace buddy? Is that my one buddy? It's always the maximum, which means it's always the capacity? But that doesn't... Unless it is something else with that. Yeah. Reaction. Aha. Minute this trouble. Axe this stick. Capacity. Wait, why? Okay, how much we can max move and what the distance to target actually is. Okay. Wow. Acceleration. Attention vector. Where's the actual speed used? Oh well, it's somewhere. Somewhere. Who knows? Oh, wait. There's a PPS. Yes, PPS. Ooh. Oh, okay. Check the speed. Horizontal and is vertical. Is horizontal. Horizontal and vertical. It's right there. Diagonal. Okay, I kind of get it. I got it. Now we can move any way we want to. What do we have left? 5 weeks. Everything, I think, everything come over it. Okay, but now we have movement. Oh, I wanted to say something. I have to do it. Because I don't know my actual disease apparently. We wanna be definitely in front of, like, I don't know, 400 pixels? I'm at like 100 as well. Oh wait, you're talking position. I wanna be like 500. No, 550. I kinda wanna be in the way. I think. I don't know. That made more sense. That makes sense in my head. We got it. Ish. It left. It's gone. It left. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. And it's coming back. It's coming back. It's gone. It's gone. Getting rich shit, bro. Oh, okay. Yeah, it wasn't real. It wasn't real, man. It wasn't real. It wasn't real. It was in the real simulation, so I forgot. I forget the mysteries of the game. But theoretically it might work. It had to kind of move around something. Ah, that's so cool. This is so cool. We got it. We got it. We got it. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. We got unbeatable steering. A god of steering. System of such magnificence. Life is good. Happy life. Happy AI. Happy life. Happy code. Happy life. Okay, now we're missing turn to face object slash NPC. So we still don't have the actual rotation implemented, so we don't know if it's facing or not facing something. What else do we not have? Probably everything else. Oh yeah, integrate but it would it's capture and VLM and move and calc and speed gun and mover together. yeah, we gotta get. And we're using, we'll use the whatever the actually VLM comes up with. We'll use that as the actual, you know, like character position, because this is just simulating how it's moving through this all. That's not very good, is it now? How is it? I mean, I don't trust the VLM to ever do it incorrectly, but I mean, we can do tricks. It can be tricky. It can be tricks. I like tricks. We can do tricks. I mean, in this case, technically, we can do the trick that. Oops. We can do the trick that the element never. The element never. It doesn't really need to figure out the character location, the bounding box for it. Other than once, because the game is always centered. The character is always at the same location. This is always the same, so there's no. So lazy in this case is never. It's never off center, which means her, and she never changes her size. Therefore, she never has a bounding box of different size. So technically we can cheat and only worry about the other bounding boxes. Actually, does that make sense? Actually, that might be. No, actually, no, I think that's true. I think that's what I'm thinking is true, but what I'm not thinking about, or wasn't thinking, is that according to the rules of the universe, somewhere around here is the 360. 360 is something 640 position here. But if I move here, I'm pretty sure Lazy is still at 476, 476, and now the bird is different. Now the crouch position is probably different. Isn't it easy enough to check? I'm gonna assume here, and I'm gonna move here. Yeah, so it got shifted. We assume it went up. So if Lazy is like, what was it? 406. 136. Bone boxes, yeah, 436. We now assume that it went from 600 to like 500-ish. The distance is still a different, smaller. But yeah, we don't have to worry about Lazy's bone box technically. There's only a theoretical where we would have to do that, which is that if it's like a pocket mirror, where that there is that one, at least that one sequence, or was it two? That cake sequence where the character becomes larger, where Goldie becomes larger, and there is the other one where she becomes tinier. I guess theoretically for those kind of situations it would be this idea, this cheating idea wouldn't really work. In a sense, I couldn't really, I wouldn't tell it that this is something that's happening. We'd have to figure itself out. Well, we'll see how consistent the VLM is. You know? Well, you see. Let's see how consistent it is. I'm pretty sure this doesn't have action control, character, target position. I mean, we can update those at any time. La la la. Oh, it's 499436 again. Let's find this. We could technically keep the character position, at least for definitely the same always. For other characters, for other games, that's probably a trick that is not gonna work. Like, it wouldn't work for something like a 3D game. It wouldn't obviously work. Well, no, not all. I mean, third-person 3D game. Well, actually, some of them. Some of them might. But then even where there's, I guess, a free moving camera. 3D free moving. I can go further up, closer, or move around, or jiggle around. Yes. Can be issues. Anyways, it's all good. Oh yeah, we can also maybe it'll become useful. Get the basic character sprite still. The images, you know, take the crops of the bounding boxes, different angles or whatever, and then maybe try to have the VLM first cache those, because we're not calculating those every time, and then use them as a basis to try and find the bounding box for the character. Or even the mobs, actually. Faster? Not really. Or some level, I guess. It might be faster. Anyways, because we're kind of done here for now. You know what time it is. Oh man, I'm shocked. Oh, I'm shocked. Yes. On-save progress, we do not need that. Progress. We have made great leaps, but we have not finished. Just because certain parts work doesn't mean everything will work.
Blue Archive.
Wow. Now loading. Oh, wait, right. Ring. Dailies are real. Oh, wait.
타치미 선생님. 오늘 선생님을 응원합니다. 이건 제가 드리는 특별한 선물이에요.
Oh, remaining period. Wait, 26 days. Does that mean I can actually out this faster than I thought? Interesting. Interesting. My cafe is full. It's full. My cafe. I'm getting stuff up apparently. I'm getting full real fast. On the tree. And I have none of them. Oh, it's just She's actually using the table. Someone's actually using the table.
이 녀석도 저 녀석도 청춘을 즐기고 있네. 이것이 샬레.
Nice tail. Nice tail. I wanna touch it.
쾌적하네.
Super
우리
power.
방도 이랬으면 좋겠는데.
게임을
How is it
본격적으로
full?
공부하고
How's it
싶어.
how's it full? Then it's 90, 20. Yes, 20 hours is 180ish.
이건
Over 180, but
저
that
녀석도
doesn't make sense.
청춘을
This
즐기고
means I
있네.
was 20 hours away-ish. Oh.
샬레.
Well, logic works. I will never figure out. I will never calculate it.
우와. 이건 이 녀석도 저 녀석도 청춘을 즐기고 있네.
Oh yeah.
좋아.
Where's my triple sweep? Triple sweep. Double sweep. I leveled up. Oh, I leveled up. I am so big. I leveled up so big time. Big time. Yeah. Yeah. Let's do one last one of these two. Yeah, we got nothing. Awesome.
안녕. 나의
My calculations are correct. That should be correct.
대단해.
Unless I am missing something.
굉장하시네요.
Wow.
이걸
Oh yeah.
이것도 해결하신 건가요?
My calculations are amazing. Wait, calculation. Yeah, I'm gonna go 50 energy.
여기서는
I'm gonna show energize apparently. That's one there, but I don't know. So I believe. Mario's all measures. Niet zo hell yeah. Don't have you. It's very sad time. I might go back for you. Oh man, hold up. What do we have here? Have you? Have you? Oh yeah, wait, no, that's the maid.
내 능력으로
Here's the maid.
시간을 되돌릴 수 있냐고? 글쎄. 하지만 나는 이 순간을 영원히 즐기고 싶은걸.
Oh yeah, I think I remembered. Maybe I should have my ticket. Do I have 5 tickets? When? Just one. I remember only 4. You're a healer. I already have too many healers. I'm young confused. Would have.
선생님이
Like I'm
단순히
not be using these particularly.
그런 점도 싫지는 않지만요.
Like, I do much. Wait, do you have
어째서일까요?
attacker with?
웃음이
You are an
멈추지
attacker
않아.
with? Oh,
주인님
yeah.
곁에 계시길. 여기서는
I did it.
이쪽 벌써?
I didn't count. Wait, what do you mean? It is good. What about this? Take notes. Oh, see? Oh, a pass. See? It only uses a ticket. That's better than using my other stuff, I guess. What? Oh. That seems good enough. That seems doable. Let's do what we do. Let's get that attack note. Yeah. Let's come on.
우리의 승률은 꽤 높아. 자신 있게 가자.
Vision technos.
적 위치 확인.
Go Dukes, go everything. You've been through. Level up for this.
지원. 슬픔도 분노도 전부 인수분해 해주겠어. 내 계산은 완전 열받았어.
Go, Soraka, you get up. And okay, she was pointing the wrong way for a second though. I was worried. I was quite worried. Oh, it's a mess.
화가 났어요.
A mess, Lord.
EMP 드론
Actually, you might pay off.
지원. 적 위치 확인.
Go Dukes.
발포 준비 완료.
That's just something. It's too hard.
일단
Shoot.
속에서
Out of the shoot. No.
갑니다.
Immediately easiest job in the world.
뭘 보고 있는 거야? 이쪽은 보지 마.
Easy victory, easy sweep. Wait, he did not sweep. Akari swept. Man. I got my notes. There's my tech notes. So I can fool. Yes, I got them all. I got them all. I got an achievement. I didn't know what I did. I do it, but I did, but I deserve it.
대단해요.
300. I'm at 909. I'm good. I'm so good. Okay, I'm 200. I have 60 million credit. I don't know what to do with it. I don't care to know. Anyways, I don't know for today. So I can ponder without not having to sleep. It's 8 p.m. which is prime time for sleep. Anyways, bye bye.